G'day guys! We've been getting lots of questions about our new range of turbos. Things like, what sizes do you have? What do I get for my money? Do you have compressor maps? So today in this unboxing video, we're going to try to answer as many questions as possible in one succinct overview. So let's start with what's in the box. Now the first thing you're going to notice when you buy a Turbosmart turbocharger and pull it out of the box is just how physically light the thing is. This here Turbosmart 6466 turbo weighs in at just under 6 kilos. Compare that to a competitor 6466 at over 9, and that's a 50% weight saving. The next thing you'll notice in the box with all Turbosmart turbos is the fittings. Every Turbosmart turbo comes with all of the associated flanges, clamps and gaskets to get your turbo installed as soon as it arrives. So, if you order one of our turbos with a V-band turbine housing, it comes with the associated weld flange and V-band clamps to get you going. If you order a T3 or a T4 housing, then it comes with the associated T3 or T4 gasket to suit. All of this is just to say, when you receive your Turbosmart turbo, it comes with the parts you need. If you order one of our internally wastegated turbos, then it comes fully assembled with a Gen V IWG actuator attached and ready to roll. So whilst we're talking about housing options, what are the options that we currently have available? Well, that one's actually a little bit of a moving target as we bring more turbine housings to the market every month in an array of different sizes. So for now, let's just say that we've got at least V-band, T3, T4 and T4 divided housings available in most of our turbochargers. We're also bringing additional AR options to each flange as well. So keep an eye out on the website, on the Turbocharger product page, for the most up-to-date information on housings and ARs. Alright, what else is in the box? Instructions. Yeah, read them. They've got a bunch of great tips on how to love on your new turbocharger, not the least of which is to ensure that your turbo is well lubricated, which means the oil line must be attached to this -4 AN fitting here. Whilst we're looking at this oil feed, you'll notice that there's a warning tag on it. It says something to the effect of, don't remove this fitting. That's because this oil feed is more than just an oil feed. It also acts to both align and retain the dual ceramic ball bearing system inside. Remove this fitting and you not only void your warranty, but you'll risk never seeing your balls again and having a very dry, crunchy turbocharger. Alright, now you've been warned about ensuring adequate oil supply in the turbo, let's take a look at the oil drain options. From the factory, we've supplied you with this -8 AN male fitting. If you happen to need to change this for any reason, to go to say a -10 or an extension, then you'll notice that they're here machined in the housing is a 1.5 or a 2-inch drain flange fitting. We've got a range of fittings available as spare parts, but for most customers, the installed -8 fitting will fit the bill for you. While we're here looking at the drain, we recognise that even though our turbos are the lightest performance turbochargers on the market, some customers will want to fabricate a bracket to add more support to the turbo than simply hanging the thing off the exhaust manifold. For you guys, we've got a steel oil drain bracket available. This little guy will allow you to easily thread or weld additional supports onto your turbocharger with ease. Now something else that a lot of you have been asking for is a horsepower rating or a compressor map. Unfortunately, I can't unbox 1,000 horses from this box, but if you're wondering how many horses are contained in any particular Turbosmart turbocharger, then head over to the website. Locate the specific turbo you're after on its product page. You'll be able to find both the horsepower rating and a compressor map for that turbo. Now, if you have any further information that you require on a Turbosmart turbo or any Turbosmart product, please don't hesitate to reach out to our sales or tech support team in the Turbosmart office nearest to you, or just email us on support@turbosmart.com. Now that's all we have time for on this turbo unboxing video, but don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and social platforms if you're not already. I'm Matt from Turbosmart, and I'll see you next time.